This is Mandar from Copper. Let's talk about what is a stock exchange. Well, a stock exchange is a place or where shares are issued by companies and you can trade these shares. You can buy shares, you can sell shares on a stock exchange. Now, shares are listed on a stock exchange, and stock exchanges are also known as secondary markets. We will talk about what primary markets are, but stock exchanges are nothing but secondary markets of trading stocks that you have or buying stocks from someone else or selling stocks on a stock exchange. There are two stock exchanges in India. The first is the Bombay Stock Exchange. Now, Bombay Stock Exchange or BSE is the oldest stock exchange in Asia and it started in 1875. That's a long time ago. It's the world's number one exchange in terms of the number of companies listed on it. More than 5,000 companies are listed on the Bombay Stock Exchange. And it's the world's fifth in terms of the volumes of shares or stocks traded. The BSE Index, or also known as the Sensex, is India's first stock market index that enjoys an iconic stature, and this stock market index is tracked worldwide by all the investors. Now, what's the Sensex? The Sensex is nothing but an index that comprises of the 30 largest and most actively traded stocks on the BSE, which kind of provides a gauge for India's economy. If you're tracking these top 30 stocks of the largest companies, you will be able to understand how the markets are moving. So most of the people every day say that आज सेंसेक्स ऊपर गया या आज सेंसेक्स नीचे गया. They are essentially tracking the performance of the top 30 most largest and actively traded stocks on the Bombay Stock Exchange. We also have the NSE or the National Stock Exchange. Now, the NSE or National Stock Exchange was set up by leading institutes to provide a modern, fully automatic screen based trading system that could have a national reach. The equities trading on the NSE or National Stock Exchange started in 1994 and derivatives trading started somewhere in June 2000. The NSE, unlike the BSE, provides 7 major indices and 15 other indices. S&P CNX Nifty is the most popular index that is tracked by stock market investors. The NSE also has the Nifty 50 index, which is again a benchmark broad-based stock market index that tracks the movement for the Indian equity market. The NSE's Nifty 50 stands actually for the National Index 50. And like the Sensex, the Nifty 50 represents the weighted average of 50 Indian company stocks across 17 different sectors or industries. To summarize about stock exchanges are nothing but secondary markets for trading stocks. These are the places where stocks are listed. BSE is the oldest stock exchange in India and, in fact, the oldest stock exchange in Asia. NSE was recently created. It is also one of India's leading stock exchange and has the Nifty 50 as its one of its indices. There are These are two secondary stock market exchanges in India where people are mostly trading online. Thank you so much and have a good day.